For the next set of problems, we're going to find the volume of this pyramid, but we're given information about the base and the slant height, not the regular height. So that's going to involve us using Pythagorean theorem. If you recall, the volume formula for a pyramid is 1/3 times base area times height. If we think about this, the height is the height of the pyramid. And here, in this picture, we don't have that. We have the slant height. So we need to make sure that we go from slant height to the height of the pyramid first before we plug numbers into our volume formula. So first off, let's start by reading the problem. The base of the following pyramid is a square. What is the volume of the pyramid? Round the answer to the nearest hundredth. So let's take a look at the information we have. We know the side of the base of the pyramid is 8, which means the base area is 64 inches squared. I got that just by multiplying 8 times 8. Then I know that the slant height is 10 inches. And I recall that there's a triangle, a right triangle in fact, formed right here that shows a relationship between the height, the slant height, and half of the side of the base. I'm going to redraw this triangle right here. Half of the side of the base is 4, the height is h, and the slant height is 10. Let's figure out the height of this pyramid. We could do this by doing h squared plus 4 squared equals 10 squared. We would get h squared plus 16 equals 100, and we would get h squared equals 84. Because 84 is not a perfect square, we would get h equals the square root of 84, which equals approximately 9.17. Remember, we're rounding to the nearest hundredth. Now that we know the height, we can plug that information into our volume formula. So recall, we said volume is 1/3 times base times height. So 1/3 times 64 times 9.17. If I do the multiplication, I get volume equals 195. Actually, it's volume equals approximately because it's not exact. 195.63. So I can say the volume of this pyramid is approximately 195.63 inches cubed.